Yeah, y'all, I ran out of gas. Ran out of a little gas, side of the road. Yep, my first time running out of little gas. I ran out of gas. Look at that thing, man. I'm out here on the side of the road. You know what I'm saying? Gas people. See, when you got these scats, when you got the gas up. I went to one gas station and gas. I don't know how you do this, though. See, it got a lock on it. Yeah. See this thing right here? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, y'all had ran out of little gas, man. I was on E. I went to one gas station, and the gas was cheap. So what had happened was, I tried to make it to another gas station. As you can see, I didn't make it. So gas up, y'all. Winter coming. You gotta have that gas, man. A friend of mine that's holding the camera. Is it up high enough where they can see my face?
Mm-hmm.
She done bought me some little gas. She said I was gonna call AAA. She said, "What? Call AAA when I'm down the street." So thanks to her, y'all. But that's it, man. Hey, happy winter, man. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please, y'all. I appreciate all the subscribers, y'all. I'm like at 60, 61 or something like that. I appreciate everybody. Little by little, we growing, man. But look, this video y'all just seen or just saw, I ran out of gas. This is my first time ever in life running out of gas, y'all. It was funny, right? Because usually when in these cars, it'll say low fuel. It don't show you how much miles you got left for the cars to actually go cut off, right? So you would get to like 12, 13 miles, maybe 14 miles, and before it say, and then it'll start to say low fuel. So what happened was, my car said low fuel. I think when I was home, my car said low fuel when I pulled up to the house, I believe. But I know from like monitoring this car that you get, when it says low fuel, when it first says low fuel and the light come on, you get about, you could get at least, I want to say 7 or 8 miles or something like that. So I think mine said low fuel, and I made it from my job, which is like 7 miles to the house. And I tried to go back out the next day to, it wasn't the next day. And also it just snowed. I'm in New Jersey. It just snowed. We had like our little blizzard storm or whatever. So the gas could have like half froze or whatever. I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but I had low fuel. It said low fuel at my job. It's like a 7-mile trip. Boom. I parked the car for a day. It snowed. It was very cold. We had like a blizzard or whatever you want to call it. And then when I was supposed to go from my spot, my place to work again, like halfway there, that's when I ran out of gas. So I would say about 10 to 12 miles is what you get when it says low fuel. And the funny thing, I actually stopped at a gas station, right, on my way to work. This is when it said low fuel, right? And I was going to get gas, but I got a couple of credit cards, right? So I try to use certain credit cards, you know, like for certain things. So I didn't know which card to grab. I wanted to see what was the balance on my card. So I was trying to hurry up and look it up while I was at the gas station. And the gas station I was at, they got like, it's like some type of cheap fuel off brand or something like that. So I usually try to get, we got something called Quick Check here in New Jersey. It's like a fill up station. They got decent gas and decent prices, but I usually try to go to like BP, Shell, Sunoco or Sunco or Sunoco, whatever you call it, or something like that. But it wasn't nothing around, so I had to do what I had to do. But anyway, I left that gas station because I didn't have, I couldn't see what card to use. And like all my cards is low, by the way, like my balance and stuff like that. So it wasn't like I was like out of money. I was just trying to see which one to use or whatever. So I ended up leaving that gas station. So when I left that gas station, man, I was driving. I was good. I almost was to like a it's called Quick Check to get gas. I deal with that gas. I don't know what grade of gas or whatever. I know I got to get like 93. I don't know what brand or whatever, but they have good prices. So I almost was there, and like I'm like probably 5 or 6 miles away from there. I'm in traffic. I'm cruising. I just, as the light turned green, I hit the gas and it like wasn't going nowhere. So uh-oh. And then I was like in the middle of traffic, so wasn't nobody to the right of me, so I was able to get over in the right lane. But it wasn't no shoulder, so I get out the car. I'm like, oh man. So I was gonna call AAA or like I think Dodge offer this too, like where they'll bring gas out to you, because I wasn't about to walk no 5 or 6 miles, man. That's a little way, you know what I mean, if you walking it. So my friend was around and they was able to give me a gas can. They put the 93 in the gas can or whatever, y'all. But it's just a funny story. I never ran out of gas in my life, but like this car, like what I tried to compare it to was I had a 2016 SXT, right? And one time I didn't run out of gas, but my friend drove the car home after we came from a night event, and the car didn't start because the gas, it was like way low. So but we made it to the house, but the low fuel was on, but the needle was way past, like for it to be out of gas, the needle was way past E. Like E is like right here. It was like way like this to be on E. With this car, the needle was like past E like a little bit. So like where that E level line is, it was like a little bit, just a little bit like that. So I'm thinking about the 2016 I had when my friend ain't put gas in and the next day it wouldn't start. So I'm thinking that the E, the line, I'm thinking the lever got to be like this. That's how it was in my 2016. But in this one, like a little past that the E lever, it was like right there, like that much, and it cut us. I'm like, man. So, but I think it's because like these cars, like I said, that was a V6, this is a V8, so it's a big difference, y'all. So I'm just sharing that with you, man. Real funny story. Anything happened with the car, I'm gonna share it with you. But one thing I dislike, I just added a new dislike to I think a lot of cars do this. Instead of them saying like just low fuel, I think they should keep it still and show you the mile of what's left, because I think that's kind of like a cop out. So Dodge won't get in trouble, FCA, whatever you call it, so they won't get in trouble. So they just leave it up to you, just put low fuel, and it's up to them to get the fuel or not. Which is common sense, but we all do it, y'all. We all regular people, so I'm sure everybody try to look at me, see how far I can get, or I'm gonna make it to this gas station, this and that. So it probably happened to a lot of people, but I think they should keep the gas mileage up and let you know, okay, it's you got 4 miles left to the gallon, 3 miles left to the gallon, 2 miles, all the way to 1, and then start some type of like, when you on that last mile, start some type of noise, ding 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 or something, you know what I mean? So you could know, because like that's crazy. So that's a dislike to this car. Like that's like a cop out to me by these by Dodge and probably other car companies. But when it say low fuel, just don't say low fuel. If y'all go show us the gas mileage to get to like 13 miles, and you got to kind of estimate in your head, okay, how many miles did I do now? I think it should just they should do it all the way, because that's unsafe too. And also when I was driving, the car starts to stiffen up too. Like when you run out of gas, it just the wheels start getting stiff. So that's dangerous too. If you're in the middle of traffic or something, you might get tore up. So like I said, I understand they put low fuel, common sense. I get it. Low fuel means that low fuel, just go to the station, but still they should still to me keep the miles per gallon all the way till it gets count down to 0 miles. That way you would have a so you could physically see it. That's what I think they should do. And also what they should do is when you down to like that last mile and it say low fuel, they should show it, and it should be some type of blinking or something to let you know, like, look, you got less than a mile left, hurry up, and ding ding, so you could know to get over on the side of the road at least, man. But like I said, funny experience, funny video, y'all. That's just what I'm sharing with you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, y'all. I appreciate all. It's a small channel. I'm looking to grow, y'all. What I'm probably gonna do when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do some type of giveaway, man, because that's what I'm trying to get to, so I could monetize and have more giveaways and start to do more stuff and put more into the channel, y'all. But I'm having fun. Appreciate everything. More part, no car. Y'all have a beautiful day, and I'm out of here, y'all. Peace out. Bless.
Get it, boy.